Do you recognize this insect? That's right, it's a monarch butterfly. While monarchs are well known for their vibrant orange wings, they also have one of the most impressive migration patterns observed in nature. Join the flutter and learn all about these remarkable insects. A monarch begins its life as a tiny egg on the underside of a milkweed leaf. Milkweed is the only plant where an adult female monarch will lay its eggs because it provides food for the baby caterpillars once they emerge. Once laid, an egg will take about 4 days to hatch, producing a small larva, or caterpillar, that will feed on milkweed leaves for up to 2 weeks. The little caterpillar grows significantly during this time, weighing up to 3,000 times what it did as an egg. As it grows, it sheds its skin multiple times, and during its final molting, the caterpillar transforms into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis, which is a sac where the caterpillar develops for 8 to 13 days before finally emerging as a butterfly. Life as a monarch moves fast, since they only live about 4 to 5 weeks. Monarchs migrate south at the end of the summer, using environmental cues to tell them when it's time to go. Some monarchs fly as far as 2,800 miles when migrating, starting their journey in the United States and Canada, where they breed, and traveling all the way down to the forests in central Mexico to hibernate. After up to 5 months of hibernation, they begin the migration back north, traveling an additional 1,000 miles until they reach the south of the United States. This is the only generation of monarchs that live up to 8 months. The next generations of monarchs will again only live 4 to 5 weeks. In 1 year, it takes about 4 to 5 generations of monarch butterflies to complete the full migratory pattern. Think of it as a relay race. As monarchs near the end of their life, they lay their eggs, and when the new monarchs emerge from their chrysalises, they immediately pick up where their ancestors left off amidst the long journey. Monarchs, along with bees, birds, bats, and other insects, play an important role in our ecosystem as pollinators of crops, flowers, trees, and other plants around the world. They carry pollen from one flowering plant to another in order to fertilize it and support its ability to produce seeds and fruit. 35% of the world's food comes from pollinated plants, so we need pollinators to survive. Unfortunately, the grand migration of monarch butterflies is being threatened by the elimination of milkweed and nectar from many plants due to things like agriculture, land development, and use of herbicides and pesticides. The shifting weather conditions caused by climate change, making winters colder and wetter in the forests of central Mexico, and causing hotter, drier summers in the US. And the illegal and unsustainable deforestation of the forests of Mexico, where monarchs hibernate in the winter. But the good news is, WWF is helping to protect monarchs and their habitats. WWF works with the Mexican government, local communities, and other partners to protect vital butterfly habitat in Mexico's Monarch Butterfly Reserve. WWF also supports several environmentally friendly projects, such as tree nurseries, that help restore the forests in the reserve, which creates new sources of income for the local communities that live in the region. WWF also works with many leading companies, farmers, ranchers, and other environmental organizations to reduce the impact that food production has on our environment and improve, protect, and restore grasslands where monarchs breed. There are many things that we can also do to help monarchs within our own communities. Plant a pollinator garden, including milkweed and other flowering plants native to your area, to create a critical rest stop for monarchs to reproduce and eat during their long migration. You can go to the World Wildlife Fund website or ask your local nursery about the right type of milkweed to plant in your area. Share what you learned about monarch butterflies today with family and friends, and continue to be a hero for nature with Wild Classroom. For more fun facts and activities, visit wildclassroom.org.